Hi, friends. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm back with a very quick and simple sketch. I'm starting with my waterproof pen, drawing loosely and freely while also adding some depth and darker areas as I go. At first, I was planning to keep it just a pen sketch without any color. Honestly, I wasn't even going to share it here. I was thinking of posting it as a reel on my Instagram page instead. But I just couldn't stop myself from adding watercolor, and in the end, I really liked how it turned out. That's why I decided to share it with you here. Fun fact, I had drawn a similar sketch a long time ago and posted it on my channel, but that one was much looser, more expressive, and very free. This time I followed the structure a little bit more. Now, let's move on to the watercolor part. The way I usually paint is by laying down one general wash of color first, and then I add the next layers in a more patchy style. I don't want to overwork it with watercolor because it can easily get messy and crowded. The reason is I already created a lot of detail and contrast in the sketch itself, so I don't want the watercolor to overpower it. As I keep the watercolor simple, once I feel the painting is finished, I like to splash a little bit of color around the subject and on the subject itself. After it dries, I go back with my dip pen and add some darker lines to increase the contrast and give the sketch more character. And that's it for today's sketch. I really hope you enjoyed this drawing. If you like this one, I think you'll enjoy this other sketch too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, and give the videos a like. Wishing you all the best. Stay creative and inspired.